Good day, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to start with this Java tutorial. First, let us install the IntelliJ IDEA environments. Later, we are going to run some Java code on the Android Studio environment. The community version is free. Let us download that. As we can see, the registration is optional. Now we wait. Okay, remember. At the beginning, search this. The page you need is at the beginning. We have to wait a little more. You have to choose 32 bits or 64 bits. Most of us are using 64, but check your system to be sure. If we check this, all the Java files on your computer are going to be associated with this program. I am not going to check it, but you can choose otherwise. Now, if we previously had this program installed before and we want to recover our personal configurations, we have to check the first box. I never installed this environment in this computer before, so I'm going to check the second option. Here we have to pretend we already read all of this. Here choose whatever you want. I'm going to choose the black because of the night's watch. Here we have different plugins to choose. I'm going to activate the Android plugin just in case. Do not worry if you don't choose any plugin, we could just activate them later. Let us just ignore this. Here we have to select our JDK folder. If you have the Android Studio on your computer before or the Eclipse environment, you already have this folder. Just copy and paste the location. Later, I will show you how to install the JDK. It is very easy. Now, let us create a new project. I will make a very simple program. This is the name of your first project. This looks very similar to Android Studio. Let's make a very simple code. Do not worry. You will learn all this stuff later in detail. It seems we don't have errors. Let's save this. And here we see our outputs. Now we can start making programs in Java.